Hello, this is Edward Neufville, and I'll be speaking with you about the recent presidential proclamation in response to the migrant caravan at the southern border of the United States. And basically, the proclamation said that those who entered illegally will be prohibited from applying for asylum in the United States. And the proclamation designated basically that if you want to apply for asylum in the U.S. and you're crossing the southern border, that you have to apply for it at a specific or a specified point of entry or at a border post. What happens when an immigrant or a migrant applies at that border post? They will be screened and they will be interviewed, which is called a credible fear interview, to decide whether or not they actually have a fear of returning to their home countries. If they are found to have a fear, they will have the opportunity to apply for asylum. Now, what's important and should be noted is that when those migrants apply at those points of entry, they will then be processed and held at a detention center, which means that they won't have their readable access to attorneys, also access to family members that might already be in the U.S., and also the ability to obtain specific and highly important evidence and documentation to meet the very high standards of asylum in the United States. And so statistics show that applicants for asylum who use the services of an attorney have a higher chance of success than those who don't. Over the years, especially since 2001, the laws in the U.S. Regarding asylum has tightened. They have become a lot more difficult, and the burden of production and burden of proof from the applicant definitely has increased. And so one can imagine that a person who is entering the United States as a migrant and applying for asylum may not know the law, may not have the opportunity to gather all these necessary evidence, and which results in a lower chance of their success. At Neufville Law, with our years of experience in the areas of asylum litigation, we are equipped to assist family members whose family and friends have entered the U.S. and are thinking about applying for asylum, or those who are already here, who may have illegally entered and have a fear of returning to their home countries and are applying for asylum after November 2018. So call us. Our number is 301-562-7995. We are also located on the internet at www.neufvillelaw.com. That's www.neufvillelaw.com.